Hello everyone and welcome to this week's Adobe scripting QuickTip tutorial. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how to run a script easily in any application by hitting F1 to quickly launch it. This is a super cool VSCode extension created by RenderTom, and all you have to do is hit F1 with your script loaded, choose your application, and then it will launch the script into the application directly. Before we get started with this super quick video, I want to remind you down below, hit subscribe and the bell icon to be notified of new videos coming out twice weekly in the channel. And down in the description, you can check out the GitHub link to follow us there and get updates on code, as well as follow us in the description on Instagram to get other live updates. If you're not already a member of our Discord server, you can come and join, get help with scripting, extensions, plugins, expressions, submit tutorial ideas, and much more. And if you'd like to help support us on YouTube and get cool perks, you can become a member, supporter, premium supporter, or VIP. Link for that is in the description. Alright, so this is going to be a super simple tutorial, and I'm just going to uninstall the extension itself. And all we're going to do to install this and be able to run our script in one click using F1 is to go to extensions inside of VS Code. And I like to just type in, because I've done a few clean installations recently, if you type in RenderTom, that's the creator of this, who's an Adobe legend basically. And we'll go ahead and click on install. And this does require that you have one other extension installed, and that is the Adobe ExtendScript Debugger plugin. This is sort of what gives it access to run inside of the other programs. Basically, once we hit install, all we have to do is load up a script, hit F1, and you can type in Adobe and see all of the applications that you can launch it in. In my case, I want to launch it inside of After Effects, and it will then send the script, as you can see down here, to After Effects. And in my opinion, this is a much quicker way to run your script than using the standard running debug process, which you would have to do with the ExtendScript Debugger extension. But that is basically it. All you have to do is install the Adobe Script Runner extension by RenderTom, hit F1, and choose your application to run it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button down below, hit subscribe and the bell icon to be notified of new videos coming out twice weekly in the channel. And down in the description, you can follow us on GitHub for coding updates and Instagram for other live updates. If you're not already a member of the Discord server, make sure you come and join and get help with scripting, extensions, plugins, expressions, submit tutorial ideas, much more. Hang out with a lot of our cool members and knowledgeable people. And if you'd like to help support us on YouTube and get cool perks, you can become a member, supporter, premium supporter, or VIP, and link for that is in the description down below. Thanks again for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.